Welcome viewers. Today I'm back with a new video. This time we'll try and sketch different perspectives of a parrot or a macaw. Anyways, it's black and white, so there's no way to distinguish directly. We'll start off by making a two-dimensional head. I will not try to be pinpoint accurate on this one. I'll just rather have an idea as to how to overlap two circles and get a shape similar to the head of the parrot. This second circle could have been slightly higher. That would have made the beak look more realistic, but it's okay since this is not a final sketch. We're just getting an overall look and feel of the head of the parrot, so it's fine. For the next segment, we'll look at how to sketch the body of the bird when it's in flight. So I'm thinking I'll have two of these. One would be facing as if it's flying towards you. The other one is sideways. So the wings could be flapped downwards or it could go upwards. I'm not putting too much emphasis on how to draw the wings. I already have a video on how to draw birds. You can look at it. Even though it does not cover birds in flight, I'll be making one more video very soon on how to cover sketch of birds in flight. The next one is slightly tricky. Get a circle on the page first. Since this is the front view, what you need to do is, I say I'm saving some space, so I'll be putting it at an angle, but you can do it flat as well. So get the horizontal line as well. And two vertical lines from each of these segments. So this would resemble the flapped wing. So once the wing is done, the head and the tail would be pretty straightforward. So we just have to extend the body outward for the tail and a smaller circle, which will not be concentric, it will not have common centers. A slightly shifted small circle would help you draw the head, which should resemble the head at least. So whatever principles we just learned for drawing the head in the first 2D sketch, we are going to use it here, this time a bit more properly. And then we'll draw kind of an oval shape for the body and an extended triangle for the tail. You can refer to the sketch I've done earlier for birds. That would give you an idea where did we get it from. So this finishes the outline. Now we'll be drawing the original bird sketch on top of this. So instead of a precision pencil which I was using till now, I'll be switching to maybe a 4B pencil so that the sketch is prominent. You can very well use an H or a 2B, which would be preferable. In fact, I'm using a slightly darker pencil so that it's more visible on the camera. So once the sketching is completed, I'll be covering the shading part in a subsequent video which should be out this coming week. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you'll be back for the finale, the shading part of the bird, which should be, again, I'm just reminding, be out this most likely this Wednesday. So stay tuned. Be with us.